Jai Sriman Atri Maharshi is now talking to Sri Ramachandra Swami and disclosing the glory of greatness of chastity of Anasuya Devi, saying that, "Ho Rama, Anasuya Devi, she has done 10,000 years of tapasya, and one of those days when there was 10 years drought, Anasuya Devi with her tapo shakti, she is the one who created all kind of fruits and herbs and helped all entities on this earth. O Rama, Anasuya Devi is like a mother to you. Not only that, on this earth, all entities supposed to be respecting and offering their gratitude to Anasuya Devi. Such is Anasuya Devi's greatness." Like this, Atri Maharshi explaining to Ramachandra Swami and saying that, "O Rama, Anasuya Devi never carries any kind of anger and hatredness in her heart. Now, O Rama, you ask Sitamma to approach Anasuya Devi and do namaskaram so that Anasuya Devi can tell Sitamma so many great our scriptural things." Like this, when Atri Maharshi said, Rama asked Sitamma to approach Anasuya Devi. Sitamma went and did namaskaram to Anasuya Devi. Tam Atri Patnim Dharmajnam Abhichakrama Maithili. Sita Devi did namaskaram and pradakshina to Anasuya Devi. How is Anasuya Devi? Siddhilam Valitam Buddham. So elderly lady Anasuya Devi. Jara Pandura Murdhajam. Because of that older age, all her Anasuya Devi's hair got white. Anasuya never carries any kind of jealous. Satatam Vepamana Angim. The entire body is getting shaken. Mahabhagam Pativratam. Anasuya Devi is Mahabhagyavati and great lady who always observes chastity. Such Anasuya Devi, now Sitamma is approaching and introducing herself, saying that, "Oh Anasuya Devi, my name is Sita." Like that, she did introduced herself and did namaskaram and inquired, "How are you doing, Anasuya Devi?" Then Anasuya Devi is asking Sitamma, "Oh Sita, you are doing such a great thing. You left all your relatives, you left all your friends, you left all your pleasures and comforts, you left your ego and following Sri Ramachandra Swami, deciding to stay for 14 years in the forests. You have such a great dharmanishta, Sita. Nagarastho vanastho va." Even the husband, may he lives in town, may he lives in kingdom, may he lives in any forest, yet you are still following irrespective of all that. Oh Sita, this kind of ladies definitely reaches to the highest heights. Oh Sita, for all the ladies, the husband is Paramadaivam. For all the ladies, the husband is the most intense relative. Oh Sita, you are following the footsteps of Sri Ramachandra Swami. This will definitely brings you great fame and this brings you great name. Like this, when Anasuya Devi said to Sita Devi, now Sitamma is responding to Anasuya Devi, saying that, "Oh my dear respectable Anasuya Devi, my husband Sri Ramachandra Swami is the best man. He has all good qualities. My husband Rama is Anukroso, very compassionate man. My husband Rama is Jitendriyaha, conquered all his sensory organs. My husband Rama is Dharmatma, very righteous man. My husband Rama is Matruvat Pitruvat Priyaha. He takes care of me just like mother. He takes care of me just like father. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.